Hello, I am devjani and I am standing between Amsterdam in the oldest zoo of Amsterdam, the artis zoo, and I am going to make a film on monkeys. There is a group of monkeys sitting there, and they are all with the family. And looking at that, I'm like missing my family. And there's a big monkey over here, in front of me. They're very sweet and all. Very cute ones and all. I like this whole zoo and all because they are kept clean, and much like Mumbai is also like they keep zoos and all. But I like this one more.
See, this monkey is playful just like me.
This monkey is playful just like me.
Ready up start. Connect. With me. Let's start.
This one is very cute, and that's my favorite. It's very good, and I like it. It's just like me, lazy one. This monkey is called as a mandarin. This one is called the black spider monkey. It's very cute and it's scared of something. And it has a small baby carrying it. And there's one more with a big tail. This monkey is having food and I'm also hungry like him. The best thing of this zoo is that they keep some monkeys inside and outside that we can see from the glass. The zoo is very big, and wherever you see, there are monkeys and monkeys like this. There are many monkeys there. I'm waiting for my friend Monkey from a lot of time, but he's not coming. He's gone to sleep. So why don't you think and stare at me?